Hurricanes Highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Gets it on the right boards, through the middle, intercepted. Babenko with room, moves in. Babenko delays, he shoots, he scores! Lucky number 13 for Yegor Babenko. It's 1-0. Up the right wing boards for Corey Miet. He can't control. Patrick a steal. Quinville a shot, he scores! Miet, a short-handed breakaway. Will he do it again? Miet stopped by Paperny. Oh, he hung the left pad, and it's cleared by Brandon. So close for Kaspic. Curls right side, leaves for Coulter. Wrist shot to the goal, deflected in. Tanner Kaspic got the redirect, and Brandon takes the lead 2-1. Tried to send it down low, bouncing puck to the blue line. Wong hard after it, has room, he shoots, he scores! 18th for the captain. It's 2-2. A pass for Babenko. Back for Gutierrez. He shoots, he scores! Puts it behind the net for Howerluck, who's dumped by Atwell. High, here's Magali. He shoots, blocker stopped by Saylor. Rebound, great save, loose puck, jammed over top. Pass, breakaway for Wong. In on goal, he digs, and he couldn't get a shot away. Gutierrez with room, he shoots, stop, rebound. Burke can't jam it, loose puck, it's in. Gutierrez has scored. His second, and it's 4-2.